In this updated video, you will be learning how to publish post to your Facebook page using Facebook Business Suite. So let's get started with the video process. Once we log into Facebook Business Suite, we need to select the Facebook page in which we want to post. All your Facebook pages will be visible here. You need to select the Facebook page. I have only one Facebook page. Next, to create a post, we need to click this Create Post tab. In this post page, we can add any one of the media element, a photo or a video, or we can post using a template. I will be creating a text post along with a photo. We can select the photo from the computer and upload it here. And next add the text in this text box. You can preview the post on the right side of this page here. You can see 3 options to schedule post: publish the post right away, or schedule it for later date, or save as a draft. To publish the post right away, we need to click the Publish Now button. And again, click the Publish button below. And done publishing the post, which can be seen under this planner page in Facebook Business Suite. We can confirm the published post in the Facebook page. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.